Hello everyone, Tinyverse has released a new update here, and in the season 3 you can cooperate with each other and create a squad and attack other players in order to mine matter from their galaxy. So in order to do this you will need a civilization. For example, this civilization here. My civilizations is free today. As you can see, this civilization is free, so I can create a squad using this one. In order to create a squad, you come to this section here in the upper right section of your civilizations. Here you choose this one and you create a squad here. And for example, you choose this one, and then you can create a squad just like this. And if you want to abandon your civilization, you can click on disband. Also, you can send your squad link to others so that other players can join their civilizations into your squad, so that you can attack together or defend together, and it will help you a lot. So for sending your link to your friend, you can click on this one, and here you can see your link. So just copy your link. So here it says that by sharing this link, you can invite another player to join your squad. A squad can include up to 7 civilizations at the same time from 2 players. So there can't be 3 players at the same time in a squad. So you need 2 players only, you and your friend, and 7 civilizations. If you have 4 civilizations, you need 3 more from your friend. So you need a friend that has 3 civilizations at least, so that you can cooperate together in order to defeat others. If you have 7 civilizations, that's maximum, and you can gather maximum matter for it. And each matter costs about 14 cents. You can copy your link and just send it to your friends and they can join. By the way, guys, you can create several squads. For each civilization you can create separately a squad, but there's no need for that, because by creating multiple squads you will need many other players. But if you have one squad, then you will need less players. If you have 2 civilizations and they haven't came back from the missions, you have to wait in order all of them to finish, and after that you can create your squad. So if you create a squad with this one, for example, if you create a squad with this one, then your civilization comes back from the mission, you cannot join your second civilization to that squad. So wait, and after that you can create one squad with those civilizations. And if you have created 2 squads or 1 squad and you want to delete it, it's really important to know how to delete a squad. You click on that one, then you click on the squad and click on disband, and it happens in just a second. Then go for the second one, and here you click on the squad that you have created, then you click on this one and you click on disband, confirm, just like this, and you can see that now I don't have a squad. And if you want to join someone else's squad, they will send you the link and you can join easily. And one important thing is that try to create team with someone who has the same parameters as you. For example, I have def or defend parameter, which is more than the other parameters, and STR. Okay, so I need to find someone who has upper intelligence, STR, and def, these parameters, so that I can combine with that player and play together. If I play with someone who has less intelligence and high end, we cannot be a good match together, and you should keep this in mind while you want to creating team with other players. So that's it, guys. In order to keep it up and be informed about the updates as soon as possible, just subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. I will inform you and give you new updates soon. See you. Bye bye.